Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Sharmili Patil, Assistant Professor at the Department of Statistics of Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur. So students, in last lecture we have already discussed about the definition of correlation and bivariate data. In today's lecture, we will see the types of correlation. The correlation is commonly classified into negative and positive correlation. The correlation is said to be positive correlation when the variables move together in the same direction. That is, if the one variable is increases, other also increases. If the one variable decreases, along with the other variable also decreases. When income rises, the consumption also rises. In this case, we can see that if the income of family is increased, then they increase the consumption of the commodities. When income falls, the consumption also falls. Sales of ice cream and temperature move in the same direction. That is, if the temperature is very high at the day, then the sales of ice cream is very high in that day. Here we can see that x-axis along the values of x, y also increases. As the x increases, y also increases. Negative correlation. The correlation is negative when they move in the opposite direction. That is, if x increases, then y decreases. When the price of apple falls, its demand increases. When the prices rise, the demand decreases. If you spend more time in studying, chances of getting fail is decreased. When you spend less hours in study, chances of scoring low marks or grades increases. Here, time is time relationship between time and grade is negative. Also, the relationship between price of apple and demand is also negative correlation. These are the instances of negative correlation. The variables move in opposite direction. Here we can see that the graph of negative correlation, as the values of across the x-axis increases, the values along the y-axis decreases. No correlation. Sometimes change in one variable does not affected by the change in other variable. Then we say that there is no correlation or the variables are uncorrelated. For example, height of student and his marks are uncorrelated, as the height has no effect on the marks of the students. This is the graph which represents the no correlation. So student, this was all about the today's lecture. Thank you.